So we got this question. The value of summation r starts from 0 to 20. 50 minus r c6 is equal to. Okay, let's see how we will approach this question. So you know that it is sign of summation. So let's break this summation. So first value of r is 0. So can I write this thing as 50 c6, 49 c6, 48 c6, 47 c6. We will keep on doing this till we get 30 c6. Correct or wrong? Okay, now we have no idea, but just observe the equations. So if you'll observe, you have lower subscript as same and upper subscript is increasing, or you can say it is decreasing. Okay, they have taught you guys this idea where it was NCR plus NCR plus 1. Upper subscript was same and lower subscript was increased by 1. In that case, answer comes out to be N plus 1 CR plus 1. Correct now? But they have twisted the question. Correct? So what I will do, I will try to convert this question into this category. Okay, I'll do some manipulation and try to match this thing. Okay, if you will observe summation questions, you may know that we always try to initiate the chain reaction. Correct? So what we have to do, either we will add something or add or subtract something from this side, or we will do that thing on left hand side. Okay, so suppose that we are adding something behind that one. So you know that upper subscript should be same, lower subscript should be consecutive. So it can be 7 or it can be 5. Correct or wrong? Now observe this two person. So if you will manipulate these two person, you will have upper subscript will increase by 1. It will become 51 C7. So it is going beyond that summation sign, no? So it is not initiating the chain reaction, because now this thing will have 51 C and here it is 49 C. It is not combination, it is not creating any situation. Okay, so this idea is failing. We will take help of these two person. So again here also we will face the same problem. It will become 51 C6. Okay, so there we got 51 C6 and here we got 49 C6. So again there is a gap, we cannot manage. So this side idea is failing. So what I'll do something over here. So can I write 30 C7 or can I go with 30 C5? Okay, now look at this part. Suppose that you guys are handling these two things. So what will happen? It will make 31 C7 and here is what? 31 C6. Yes, it is consecutive. Power is, sorry, power is also going in correct direction. Means here we will have 31 C6. So here what will happen? We will have 31 C7 and again we have 31 C6. So we can initiate the chain reaction. So this idea is correct. Means we should approach from least side. Okay, now look at this. If we will manipulate these two person, what will happen? We will have 31 C7. Now look at these two things. We have upper subscript as same and lower subscript will be the bigger one. So can I write this thing as 32C7? Okay, and this process will keep on going, and it will keep on going, and you will have, at last you will be having 50C7, and then you will be manipulating with this two thing. Okay, so it is 50C6, 50C7, so answer would be 51C7. Correct? So our chain reaction was correct. But look at this, you have added this element, so you have manipulated the question, no? So it is your responsibility to remove this. Okay, so 30C7. So can I write this thing as 30C7? So the required answer is this. Okay, so what we did, we have initiated the chain reaction from smaller side. Okay, by taking help of that result NCR plus NCR plus 1, where upper subscript got increased by 1 and lower subscript we will take as the bigger element. I hope the idea is clear.